Welcome back to another episode of Lolli TV, brought to you by Lolli, the leading Bitcoin rewards app. I'm Elena, and I am here to take you through the biggest, most important Bitcoin news of the week every single week, so hit that subscribe button to never miss an episode. But we also have fun here on Lolli TV. We have free Bitcoin giveaways. Yes, it is what it sounds like. We have featured deals on Lolli, which is where you can get the most free Bitcoin back at the hottest stores this week. And we have memes. So stay tuned for the good stuff, and let's get into it. This week, Bitcoin's price fell to an 18-month low just above 20K as rising inflation and turmoil in the crypto world hit the markets hard. We'll talk more about what caused the drop, but a major contributing factor was that Celsius, a popular crypto lending platform, announced that it was pausing withdrawals. On Sunday night, Celsius announced on its blog that it would be pausing all swaps, withdrawals, and transfers due to extreme market conditions. Talk about the Sunday scaries. Somewhat coincidentally, Binance, the world's biggest crypto exchange, also paused Bitcoin withdrawals on its platforms on the same day, although this was apparently due to a stuck transaction causing a backlog. Bitcoin transactions on the exchange were live again in a few hours, as if crypto Twitter wasn't already live enough. On Wednesday, the Fed announced that it was raising interest rates by 0.75%, which is the biggest interest rate hike made in a single meeting since 1994. The rate hike is another attempt from the Fed to curb inflation, and its magnitude shows that the agency is seriously concerned about curbing inflation. Bitcoin, as well as the traditional markets, rallied on the news of the increase. High inflation has led to a ripple effect throughout both the traditional and crypto markets, causing risk aversion among investors, so it seemed like the news of the increase actually soothed investors some. This week, Coinbase announced that it was making some big cuts, laying off 18% of its staff, or just around 1,100 people. And Coinbase isn't the only major exchange to recently introduce layoffs. BlockFi recently laid off 20% of its staff, and Gemini laid off 10% of its staff. Singapore-based Crypto.com also laid off 5% of its workforce. As what many are calling crypto winter sets in, exchanges are cutting costs and leaving many out in the cold. And finally, the Consensus Conference in Austin last week made a splash, bringing together 17,000 people to talk about the future of Web3, crypto innovation, and so much more. The annual event is a showcase and celebration of crypto, and here at Lolli, we were excited to be part of the celebration. Our CEO and co-founder Alex Edelman participated in a panel discussion to talk about mainstream adoption, Bitcoin rewards, and how Lolli is making it easier than ever before to earn free Bitcoin with new card boosts. Check out some of the footage from the panel linked below. Now it's time for your favorite time of the week. It is Bitcoin Meme of the Week, where we head over to Lolli's Instagram and choose from the best and baddest memes. My favorite meme this week was "Welcome back to work, diamond hands" from Crypto Funny. So thank you very much, Crypto Funny. This week we have some huge Bitcoin rewards rates just in time for Father's Day gifting. Head to Moose Jaw for up to 11% back on incredible gear, everything you need for your next outdoor adventure. Then head over to our place for 11% back on the perfect cookware. I mean, seriously, they even call it the perfect pot. This cookware does everything, so get it now, do not miss out. Chicago Steaks is giving you up to 11% Bitcoin back on premium cuts. For dads who love steaks, this is a can't miss. And then head over to Oakley for 9% back on sunglasses that are perfect for summer. And then Reebok is giving you 9% back on sneakers and fitness gear. So make sure you don't miss these rates, because I promise you they will not last. For this week's giveaway, drop where you are earning the dip with Lolli and your sats tag in the comments below for a chance to win $50 in free Bitcoin. For me, I really feel like it's the weekend for the Dyson Airwrap, you guys. Thank you guys so much for hanging out. It is always such a good time. I will see you next week, and until then, earn the dip with Lolli. Do yourself a favor. See you then.